This is a daily brainstorm um, about the laser machine. Yes, laser machine. Currently on the negotiation with a Chinese salesman with on Alibaba, and the way I'm seeing this project heading to, it's heading towards adding more features in the build. So it's more like I'm going to add an extra feature that most laser builds don't have, or even most people don't know even exists. So, excuse the rain. So, the feature in mind is welding. Yeah, welding. Everybody talks about welding and they have welding. But that's not what I have in mind. So, what I have in mind in welding is not our regular uh, is not our regular used to doing welding. Um, because I believe what you're thinking about this welding head. This is not what I'm talking about. This is just a regular handheld welder, and the welding I'm looking forward to get onto. It's more of precision and for manufacturing purposes, and and to talk more about that is that it will be it will be more like a table setup, like you have an office setup with a welding kind of deal. So you're literally sitting down, maybe example, you're working on a diamond ring and you need a precise uh, weld to join few features on the thingy, on the ring itself. But more of it is that it will be you'll be putting like a more of a welding head on a jig, and you can either do it, you can automate it, or you can do it by yourself. You can manually control how you want the welds to go. So the way I'm looking at it is that it will be more used to people who want to start specializing on manufacturing. So let's say you want to create a custom exhaust header. That will be the purposes of using it, and it will be so precise that you can be able to use it to create unique products, and it will be so specialized that it's going to open a world, a huge world, just the same way as 3D manufacturing did. You're able to customize whatever you need and literally print it in your house. So this machine will be almost similar to that perspective, that you're able to design any metal and fabricate it in on a desk, customize it to of your liking that not even regular manufacturing can be able to do. I'll give you an example. You're able to uh, send files and have CNC work done on a on a CNC table done, like a milling, but you're only limited to too much, and the cost of manufacturing using the CNC work is high, especially if you are trying to do that using 3 axis or so. There are 5 axis. So what this welding machine will open is will let you have precise cut parts from a laser CNC table, and then you're able to join them so precise that your regular welding is not able to do it. Create you can create miniature, like very tiny parts, weld them to perfection. So that is what I was trying to brainstorm and trying to think of a way to make sure that it makes sense. Uh, I'm going to show you some pictures of what I'm having in mind. I bet some of you might have seen the technology, but for those who have not seen it, it will be mind-blowing, because most of the things that we see here nowadays are either sheet metal that have already been fabricated and ready to use, compared to um, very high skilled um, workers. Example, like jewelry worker, someone who designs rings, watches, possess such skills and specialized tools. But at this point, what I'm about to open your eyes on is a different concept of understanding on how to work with sheet metals to fabricate um, different things in to still to achieve something that is not readily available. So it's something that you cannot just regularly uh, commission it using the CNC 5 axis machine, because either it's going to be too expensive, or it will require you to have that deep pocket to have um, beaded parts. So yeah, I believe I'm able to communicate my point, um, and hope it'll be an eye opener. Oh, I just had some light flashing here. We're having heavy rain in Miami, and electricity went off for a minute. So till then, I'll keep posting videos all the time, and maybe we get to brainstorm together. I will need you to help me out on comment section, um, to suggest what we can on this channel, what we can build each other with in terms of the laser fiber laser technology. I I I'm allowing critiques on how I'm doing my videos. I need some suggestion on how to do them. In terms of editing, oh my God, I'm bad at editing. So I tried my last video to use an AI, and it blew up on my face. Somebody saying that it was a mediocre YouTube beginner. Yeah, I'm a YouTube beginner. That's okay. So we just get to try left and right and try and see if we can build each other and see what happens. Yeah, it's not that I'm not here for the money. I'm here for signatures. I want, by the end of the day, if I help you open your own company, I want you to write me a reference letter in a specific way. I'll provide that later, but I'm not here for your money. I'm here to share ideas, build businesses, build it's more like a community. Just the same way as you have car clubs, people going with their high-end cars for their clubs. That is exactly what I want. I want to have a club that people have to are able to readily accessible to share ideas, either in Germany, Australia, Canada, UK, you name it. As long as we can communicate in English, I'll be okay with it. Um, I'm just a researcher. That's what I would call myself. I wouldn't say that I'm a high-end scholar. No, I'm not a high-end scholar. I've taught myself a lot of things, and the skills that I have, that I possess at the moment, I'm willing to share. So, having that in mind, don't forget to just leave a like on my video. You don't have to subscribe, but if you find yourself coming to watch second and that video, you can go ahead and subscribe, baby, because you're meant to be on my channel. Otherwise, have a good day. Adios, amigos.